Sound. Today we will see two characteristics of sound. One is amplitude and another is frequency. Amplitude and frequency. So how do you produce sound? Sound is produced by a vibrating body. So first of all you need a vibrating body. So when the body is under vibration, it makes to and fro motion. It makes to and fro motion as you have seen in tuning fork. So when the tuning fork is excited with rubber hammer, it gets vibrated. So now when the body is under vibration, we can draw in a wave diagram. So I am drawing two waves. So this is a wave, this is another wave. Okay. So now when you look at the two waves, we can say that this is a crest trough. So here two waves are produced. Crest trough. So three waves. So now within a time period, let us say 1 second, number of waves are 2, number of waves are 3. So its frequency is 2 vibrations per second. Here it is 3 vibrations per second. This is a frequency. So in the frequency means in 1 second how many vibrations are made by the object. So now you can also have unit hertz. So 2 hertz, 3 hertz. What about the amplitude? So now compare these two. On the y-axis, if you divide into 2 units, now here it is 4 centimeter, let us say, here it is 2 centimeter. So the amplitude is more for this wave compared to this wave. So from the mean position to maximum distance, the distance between mean position to the maximum displacement is known as amplitude. So amplitude, when the amplitude is more, the sound is more. So the intensity of sound depends on the amplitude. So now you can draw different waves and you can identify whose frequency is more and whose frequency is less. So now compare these two waves. So this is a wave with more amplitude, it is a wave with less amplitude. Here the intensity of sound is more, here the intensity of sound is less. So amplitude unit is generally centimeter, frequency unit is hertz or vibrations per second.